1995 Chevy Silverado 1500, 5.7 liter V8. Got what we got done on it. Factory manifolds up there and up there. Then we ran a high flow cat, 2.5-inch pipe into a FLOWMASTER 40 series. Then 2 tailpipes out the back, 2.25 on this side and this side. And then 3.5-inch tips to complete the look, rolled out the back, there and there. As you guys can see, came out really nice, really clean. Look at that. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. The FLOWMASTER 40 series, there'll be a link in the description for it and the tips. Wow, that sounds good. Wow, it's running rich. That black smoke is running rich.
I just changed the air filter out yesterday.
Something's not, either the timing is off or something. It sounds good. Here's sound decibels. Again. So it's probably about 105 it would run, right? Go ahead and back it out.
That's kind of like a missing joke or something.
Yeah. Yeah, it's clearing up a little bit. You see that? Sounds good though. I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Silverado 1500 short cab. We got long high flow cat, FLOWMASTER 40, and duals out the back. Came out absolutely beautiful. Still got a little bit of work getting done to it, but it's coming out together nicely. We appreciate him coming in.